Yesterday, I created this animation by using Blender's B-Tracer add-on. I created a simple spiral curve, and I was able to create duplicates around the original curve. I added a sphere, and made it follow the original curve in a spiral motion. For some reason, I'm not able to recreate this object today. BT-Racer duplicated the original curve 20 times yesterday, only via button click, but it's not doing that today. Please try to find out how this was possible, because I tried to make this object again for more than 30 minutes, but failed to recreate it. I have even tried converting the spiral curve to mesh, and use B-Tracer, but that didn't work either. Since this is not working today, I have no other choices but to create a tutorial on manually creating a similar mesh animation. This is the sphere's material, and I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on. This animation was done by using a follow path constraint. This example was created in less than 30 seconds when I tried it yesterday, but I can't figure out how it was made today. B-Tracer is a powerful add-on. Please explore the add-on to see what can be made, but please document all the steps. I'll show you how to manually create a similar mesh animation by using a curve array with an empty object. If you don't see this in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl-A to reset all transforms. Let's use an empty object. Here is the result. The B-tracer one looked much better. I'll scale the curve on the Z-axis. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.